Tommy, what are you doing? Yeah? On his little stool. Tommy, what are you doing? The dishes?
Hey, why are you doing this?
Tommy, look at Mommy for a minute.
Okay.
I love you. Tommy, I love you.
Okay, bye.
What do you say to Mommy?
Bye.
No, Mommy said I love you.
I love you.
What a good helper.
You can